This careless driver made a left-hand turn and never even saw the bicyclist that he actually made contact with knocked to the ground, causing him injury. You want to know why he was held responsible for my client's injuries? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. And let me share with you how this driver, heading home from work on a busy highway, a busy roadway, as he's attempting to make a left-hand turn into a shopping center area, was careless and violated the basic rules of the road. You see, we as drivers know what the rules of the road are. We have to obtain a license in order to drive. And in order to get that license, we have to show that we are familiar with the rules of the road. Now, this driver was on his way home from work. This particular highway was a two-lane highway with traffic in each direction. As he was making a left-hand turn, he wanted to go into one of the stores in that shopping area. What he didn't do was he didn't pay any attention whatsoever to the traffic, to the area that's going on right around him as he's making that left-hand turn. Now, do we as drivers have an obligation to see what's there to be seen? The law says, yes, we do. We have an absolute obligation to see what's there to be seen. So you might be asking, how is it that this driver did not see and couldn't see or claimed he couldn't see the bicyclist who was biking on the same path as the cars in the direction that was traveling opposite the direction in which he wanted to go? How is that possible? It's possible because this driver wasn't paying attention. It's because this driver was careless. It's because this driver was focused on something else rather than viewing the entire area around him. And as a result of that, as he's making his left turn, he finally realizes that there's a bicyclist in front of him a fraction of a second before the front of his car makes contact with the bicyclist, causing him to be thrown off his bike, suffer significant injury, and suffer fractures. Why is he responsible? Because a driver has an obligation to see what's there to be seen. And when you fail to do that, causing injury and harm to someone else, you are now going to be legally responsible for all the harms, the damages, and the losses that you have now incurred. So why do I share this quick video with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these personal injury and accident cases here in New York. You know, I realize and I understand you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but haven't done so yet, and you have questions that need answers first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions just like yours every day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.